In this video, I will show you how to open Revolut Business Account. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your mobile browser on your device. Now this can be Google Chrome or it can be like Safari if you're on iPhone. It doesn't really matter, but what you want to do is open up a browser and come across to google.com. Next, into the Google search box, you want to put Revolut Business Account, and then just go ahead and search for this, and you want to click onto the first result that comes up. So what it's going to do is take you across to a page like this where we can go ahead and open up our Revolut Business Account. So you can see here there's a button that says join now, so you want to press onto the join now button. Then it's going to ask you which country did you set up your business, so you want to click onto the box and select your country from the list. For myself in the UK, I'm going to select United Kingdom and then press the blue continue button at the bottom. If you have been invited by a company, there is a link underneath which says I've been invited to join a company. What you now need to do is choose your business type. So you just want to choose this from the list. You can also search for your type of business from the list as well using the search option. So I'm just going to go ahead and select public limited company and then press the blue continue button at the bottom. Now what's going to happen, it's going to ask you to enter an email address. So you want to enter that into here, or alternatively you can sign up with Google or Apple. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you to enter your phone number and then press the blue continue button at the bottom. So what's going to happen, a code is going to be sent to your phone. So you just want to go ahead and grab that code and enter it into the next screen. Once that's done, you will now be asked to create a password. And once you've created a password, just press the blue continue button at the bottom. After doing this, I've actually got a personal account with Revolut. However, what's going to happen at this stage, it's going to ask you to confirm the details of your business account. And once that's done, it just takes a few days for Revolut to go ahead and set that up for you. Once your business account is set up, you should receive an email from Revolut confirming that your account has been successfully created. And that is how to open a Revolut business account. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.